Hey guys, so today I'm going to be solving all three of these 3x3s for you. I'm going to be using the Cube Timer app, of course. And this is a Rubik's Cube. Normal Rubik's Cube. I've lubricated it with silicone. Help it out a little bit. This is an unknown brand. We'll take a piece out. Maybe one of you guys know. I don't know. This is a mini Diane chain. So, here we go. I'm trying to break 3 minutes, just so you know. And there we go. 2:30:32. I reached my goal. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.